Sound is a lot of things. It's kind of hard to explain. It can be a family, it can be an activity, it can be so many different things, and it's really cool to experience. There's nothing else like this. From the staff to your friends, it's just the most special experience you can do in high school, I think.
That's good.
Details.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Robbie.
It's a place where like you can go, you can be yourself, have fun, and spend time with friends doing something productive and feel good about what you're doing.
By definition, it's a high school marching band. It's just what people see it as, but if you're in sound, it's so much more than that. It's just a family, and it's a great place to be.
Sound to me is a bunch of people getting together to achieve a common goal and having fun, like, doing it. And like, it's like a lot to me. I don't know what I would do without sound, and I've made a lot of friends in it too.
I do sound because of the people mostly, I think.
I did sound because it's somewhere where I can be myself and where like people accept you and you can have fun all summer, and it's just life-changing, so that's why I did it. Well, my 8th grade year I wasn't going to do sound because, I don't know, I didn't have a whole lot of interest in it, and it was a lot. It like sounded like a huge time commitment, and I just didn't think I was ready for that. But well, aside from like the theme being Wicked, and that was my favorite, I don't know, like a lot of my friends did it, and I talked to teachers, and they just really convinced me that it might be a big time commitment, but it's totally worth it.
It took some convincing for me to do sound at first because it's a lot of time, but what eventually convinced me to do it was it gave me something to do in the summer, and I got much better at playing.
It changes you for the better, and it's a great thing to do.
That's good. That's good. I'm on every line I saw. That's good. That's good.
The Sound of Sun Prairie is an amazing organization. The things that it'll teach your child, like teamwork and responsibility and leadership, they'll be able to take way beyond their high school years and into their professional lives.